Little chicken update. Chickens are doing good. Turkeys. Take two.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Tease mommy. Tease mommy.
Because she has a cup of water and that medicine psychological.
What?
Fortnite is forever.
So yesterday we added some new girls to the family. Hey everybody, so I just read an article that Ventura, California is the first county to go through this, but this is legit happening right now.
Some gear we're gonna take a look at here. Some of new survival gear.
Oh my god.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead.
That's hot.
But not as hot, right? That's not as hot as it is to me.
That is hot. Woo! That's 480,000 cowbells. Wow, don't mess around, boys. That is brutal. Woo!
Hey everybody, how are you guys? Hope you guys are good. Hope you're having a good day. We're walking around outside. Thought I'd show you guys some stuff. Look at this beautiful tree we have out here.
Yeah, we got this film.
It's a crazy tree and it only will blossom like this for like a week and a half, 2 weeks tops, okay? And then the rest of the time it's like white. But this is the only time of the year that you see it as pink as it is right now. It's so pretty.
This tree does thing. We can't really climb it because it's kind of a long way.
Right.
We climbed that tree.
Yep.
Dad's planning on making a treehouse stuff.
This big, huge tree.
We're going to put a ladder.
It's a perfect treehouse tree.
We're going to make like a ladder.
You guys over?
We have this umbrella.
Yep.
Green. To block the sun. And then we got, we're gonna take the pool down eventually. We're gonna take it down and drain it, move it.
Yeah, we gotta move it this year.
Back up.
It just got full sun last year and the algae was ridiculous.
They're all at the dock. They are not hungry because there's a lot of food in there.
I know, it's amazing how much, like, when we lost our turkey, we knew that the turkeys were eating a lot before. But when we lost our turkeys, that's when we really were like, wow. Like, they ate a ton because now, I mean, having only these 3 chickens, it's like, food lasts forever. Around and I'll show you guys. Actually, let's go this way.
So, last night we had s'mores. We roasted on that grill.
Yeah.
So our pool's actually dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty right now. It's disgusting. We have to clean it. So we gotta drain the rest of the water that's in it, take it down, clean it, move it, get new sand for the sand filter. And that's gonna be a job, let me tell you.
We have two clean.
So what we want to do is this whole area here, okay? Because all the way out to that field is ours. So what we want to do is we're gonna get a fence posts. We're gonna post up over here, go all the way down and around over here, and have this all fenced in. And this is where we're gonna have our animals. So we're gonna get a couple of pigs, some goats, which will help maintain all this land anyway, like help maintain the grass and stuff, which will be really good. But we gotta get all of this fenced in, and that's the plan this year. And then we'll get the animals started. You can't really tell on the camera, but it does go out really far. And then over here, so our fence posts will continue all the way down over here. All of this area out over, can you guys see, out way over to that field. This is all ours, but we're gonna, we want it to be our animal enclosure. So like I said, we're gonna get some goats. We're gonna start off with some goats, some pigs, obviously more chickens.
Well, first thing we need to do is start on in lots, hundreds to thousands, millions of dollars.
Millions,
Well,
nice.
it's gonna cost a lot of money just for the fencing.
Well, the fencing will be, yeah, the lumber or the posts are gonna be the most expensive part. And then we have some fencing,
Depending
but
on
we do
what
have,
fencing you buy, it gets more expensive.
but we do have a lot more that we need to get. So, but yeah, this whole area will be all redone, all cut down. And then let me show you guys our lilac bush over here. Chad is convinced that this is one of the biggest lilac bushes ever. So, let's go over and check it out, shall we? See this? See, there's all concrete under here. This used to be like, I don't even know. I want to say like a patio, but I'm not 100% sure. Chad said that there used to be like a garage or a building over here where all this cement is. So, let me get over here so you guys can see.
I can go in it.
Yeah, the kids hide and go in there all the time. It's huge. But it's so pretty.
It's a good There's a lot of stems in that to climb.
It is pretty big. I mean, it's... Go stand next to it, May, so I can get a scale. Yeah, look how big that bush is. Patches
Yeah, patches.
in there. Back to this pretty tree again.
If you stand in here, don't stand on one of the things.
You shouldn't even go in there. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. My son comes out, my older son. I hear the girls' music. Comes out here and he goes, Mom? I go, what? He goes, who's this for? Because it looks like a grave, don't it? Looks like a person.
Like what I'm saying?
But yeah, I had to have this all dug out. Get out of there, May.
Yeah, it's very...
That was a pain.
All of us, it took so long just to get... So... Get outside, Tosh. Look, got it. So, it was a pain
Yes.
to get that all of them.
Clear.
Yeah, it was a pain. It took a long time and
We got our bird feeders. We got to get more food for in there.
yeah, we don't usually eat corn.
And we got the ones that squirrels can't feed off of. Because, you know, squirrels be coming up and taking all the food from the birds.
We got them big enough so the birds can't, like squirrels, can't get them. Oh yeah, Papa came the other day. He got 2 of these. This is so
Oh, that's where they came from? I was wondering where they came from. Papa brought them?
yeah, him and me.
We'll take you over here. This right here, last year, This whole thing was our garden.
And now
And yeah. Now, I mean, it was our first garden last year, and we definitely could have done it better. So this year, I'm definitely going to lay that black stuff down so the weeds and stuff can't overgrow your garden, because, I mean, you had to be out here all the time, and we couldn't do it. So
I have 2 ideas what we could do with this. One, Dad said we should make a football stadium here, which I agree.
we should.
We should definitely make a football stadium.
Football field?
Yeah, football field or stadium. Well,
Yeah,
stadium
field.
would cost millions.
Yeah, are you crazy?
We couldn't buy a.
This would be a good football field, though.
Yeah.
We're also thinking about putting the volleyball net up over here, because
It's a big.
we had it over like out front last year, and it just would be better over
We
here.
could, if we wanted to, buy way more land than we actually have. We could buy all of this
Yeah.
for millions of dollars.
All this junk back here was here when we moved in. We got to get rid of it, but
We're gonna do something.
we haven't wanted to pay to get rid of it yet. So
Because we can't fix that trampoline. That trampoline is total. That trampoline is busted.
but actually, let's walk them around here and show them the other side of where the animals will be for the animals.
I don't care if it's 2. You took our land. We have all rights to stand right here.
Right. But
This is ours.
so
but
see how all this brush, you can see how far over we are from where we just were, where we showed you where our actual like yard is. So all this will be for the animals.
And they can't grab this anyway. They'll pop a tire. There's
And
rocks in it.
if you guys got any ideas on what are some good like home animals to have for resources, because that's the plan. It's eventually to be completely self-sufficient. Okay, I can't walk in this anymore. But see all this over here. Yep, it'll be all that. I gotta get out of here. They're pricking me.
But
Guys, I got the wrong outfit on.
comment below what we should do for our 2 acres.
We were thinking about bunnies too, rabbits.
Yeah.
But I just think that'd be wicked hard for the kids, you know, because they be getting attached to the rabbits. Sorry if this is so bouncy. This land is not flat. We did, you guys. We had a wolf right out here last night.
So that's bad for the animals.
Yep.
So I think if we got a fence, wolves will terrify.
Right.
So we have to get some stronger than one.
Yep.
Like a electric fence.
All right, you guys. Well, we just wanted to kind of show you around. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Please hit that thumbs up. Please sub.
Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss
Another video. And we will see you next time.
next time. Peace.